What's up, guys? This is NYU here. So, guys, this is the unboxing of this holiday mug here, guys. And see, I have got it for my work, and yeah, guys, I started working, guys. So yeah, so this is what it looks like. It's just nothing special, guys. I just got from work, and so yeah. So guys, now let's open this thing in 3, 2, 1. Oh yeah, guys, look at this. I thought it is a lot shorter than as before guys. So yeah, I'm guessing this thing needs to be cleaned out before I can even use it. So yeah, guys. So yep. Anyhow, guys, this thing is going to be setting probably right about here, guys, but I don't know, guys, but I don't know, guys. Or I might just set it right about here, guys, but I don't know where, but I will find a place to put it anyway. So, guys, I'm hoping you enjoyed this little unboxing of this mug here, guys, which I got from my work. And they were offering some mugs for everyone. So yeah, that's in my box. So folks, goodbye.